Now I gotta turn it on safety?
Leave it on safety until you're ready to shoot, okay? Now look, there's this front orange sight right here. You line it, put it right in between these two, and put the target in front of it.
And then do the safety whenever.
And then flip the safety. Good job. All right. And pull the trigger. Nice! Nailed it.
Keep the gun up, man.
Miss.
You can get the box.
Hang on one second. Put it on safety. Let's just check it and make sure we're up. We're live. Yeah, you see it. It just missed a few of them here. So, next time you fire, it should fire one.
You got 3 left. Wait, it's on safety.
Keep your finger out of the trigger guard until you're ready to fire. Shoot again. Nice.
I'm aiming for that box. But that box... Yeah.
Oh, I saw it hit it.
That one... I didn't
Put it on safety?
I didn't think that one...
Now let's see. You probably got one more left and we'll just load it up. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, one more. What?
It's on safety.
Oh. Now you gotta aim again.
Shoot it again. It didn't fire. No, just shoot it again.
I'm used to BB gun like this.
Let's see what it does. Put it on safety. It went all the way around on us. Let's see. Alright, yeah. Take it off safety. Alright, let me see it. That's all you can pull it back? That's all you can pull it back?
You're the little guy here.
I'm not even 6
Come on, Ethan.
Fire! Fire it!
I'm almost
Not the big guys on the little.
Safety's on?
Is it all the way forward?
No, it's off. It's just a long trigger.
It's a very long trigger.
These pebbles are a little too small now.
Yeah.
At the end of your pile here.
You gotta understand, I just scooped my driveway.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you hit? Miss. That sounded like a dud.
It didn't reach, it hit right in the front.
Josh, can I shoot one?
Which one do you want to shoot?
The handgun.
Fire. I'll let you shoot.
Okay, it's off safety.
Nice.
I saw that thing, dude.
I want to shoot.
Alright, dude. So you see this bright orange thing on the front here?
Yeah.
You gotta put it in between those two. You know that.
Okay.
And then put it on the target. You took it off safety already. Nice. That was to the right. Slow down. You only got 4 shots left. Last shot. Hard to get a full grip on that thing, huh? Good job.
No, I'm at the...
It's better blowing up the orange than blowing up the head.
Yeah.
No, I'm at the...
So we got a little orange here,
I was at...
and Seth's about to explode it.
Leave, you better stop, dude. You end up hitting his car.
You gotta move around. It's not hard. You gotta get a clear picture.
Oh, you hit the brick.
Little low.
Load him up another one. Just pull that trigger real slow.
Mike shoot no.
This one's challenging. I like it. It's challenging.
It's something.
Right over.
I think you need to come back. I think you need to come back to your gun.
I tried to aim a little higher because I hit the brick the last time. One more try. Oh!
We're gonna need more pellets now. Well, put a little bit.
The old times you had to pump. The old times you had to pump like
You gotta get it clear space. You gotta move back and forth. You did 60 pumps, Mike?
No, 20.
20
Still off.
Yep. That was a miss.
What?
That was a big miss.
All right, Ethan. You gotta show him how it's done here, boy. Show him how to do it.
Modern technology.
Hit that little one.
No, I can't do the job.
Show them how it's really
So I'm after Ethan. But you went twice, I went once. No. Take care of.
You going for a small one, Ethan?
Yeah.
Is that big one blowing up? No. I'm about to shoot it. To shoot at the
Oh, I had one for you.
What, that little, the big one all the way on this side? Yeah, in the back.
You missed.
In the back.
You guys are failing me. Fail.
I never shot your gun.
Yeah,
The big one in the back.
let Mike show you how it's done.
That one. Is it blowing up? That one's mine. You can
Look, man.
hold it.
I just want to prep you for this. You got to make it happen.
I can do it, brother.
Make it happen.
I shall.
It's
That
my
orange
turn, Ethan.
has been talking dirty all day long.
I've got your wise counsel, man. Oh no, Ethan's gonna rip it on this one.
No, Ethan's not gonna do anything.
Ethan's not using the bipod. There you go.
I'm trying to find him first.
Oh.
It's hard. You're shooting on an elevation.
That's how it goes.
I think
Oh,
you
I
hit
skimmed
it.
My turn.
Let's see what it did. Oh, you gonna shoot?
One time, then I quit.
All right.
Cock it, Ethan. For me. Could at least say please. Please.
You're just off today, huh?
Yeah.
Today's not your day.
Just like, nope. Just like daddy.